Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This boat comes with the Glacier Green hull color option. It also has the Glacier Green matching underside of the hardtop, which is a new feature. Starting here on the transom, let me give you a little spec information on the boat. The boat is 8 foot 6 inches beam or wide, and weight with engine, gear, etc. is approximately 5,500 pounds. As you see, this boat is equipped with the new Mercury V8 250 in white. Gives it a nice clean look, matches the boat very well. As we step through into the cockpit, you have a freshwater washdown. You also have a transom seat here. Great depth on these seats, good leg support. Folds up out of the way when not in use, or if you're fishing and need the cockpit space. You also have tow rails for when you're fishing for extra support. Big scuppers on each side to drain the cockpit. You have a table that mounts here. You also have a live well under the seat here. Then you have the Vantage Seat, which does a number of different options. You can make it into a sun pad, you can face backwards, you can face forward. It's very versatile. You have storage under the seat as well. Moving forward on the port side, you have your head compartment, pump out toilet, sink area, lots of storage in there as well. Moving over to the helm area, you have your captain's chair, digital throttle and shift, Raymarine, chart plotter and VHF, Mercury vessel view, fusion stereo, active trim, new feature from Mercury, very popular, Lenco electric trim tabs, all very easy to use, very logical placement. Great dash. As we move further forward, you have storage in the console area behind the wind door here. It's also accessible from under the starboard bow seat. Table mounts in there as well to store out of the way when not in use. As you see also, this boat is equipped with the sun pad option. So we have the cushions in now to make this a sun pad. This boat also has the bow sunshade. So the sunshade mounts to the hardtop, goes all the way forward to where the poles mount. Very popular feature on these boats. All the way forward, you'll see this boat is equipped with a windlass, which can be operated here or at the helm. You also have a freshwater shower, so you can hose your anchor off as you retrieve it. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you for taking the time to check out our 230 Vantage. We'd love to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call at 910